Good morning, KLGR viewers. KLGR Farm Director Scott Colon with you on this Thursday morning. Here's a look at egg headlines. The leadership of the Senate Ag Committee on Wednesday announced a series of Farm Bill hearings. Michigan Democrat Senator Debbie Stabenow, along with Arkansas Republican Senator John Bozeman, will hold the first hearing February 1st, titled Farm Bill 2023, Trade and Horticulture. The hearings will focus on the trade and horticulture titles of the Farm Bill. The first hearing will include testimony from USDA's Alexis Taylor, Jenny Lester Moffitt, and USAID's Sarah Charles. In a joint statement, the senators say, quote, "This is the first of many hearings the committee has planned as we gear up for the 2023 Farm Bill. We are both looking forward to a collaborative process, working with all senators to deliver a strong Farm Bill," end quote. The duo announced 3 other upcoming hearings on February 9th for the commodity programs, crop insurance and credit, February 16th on nutrition programs, and March 1st on conservation and forestry programs. All the hearings will be held in the committee's hearing room. Public health advocacy groups are filing a lawsuit against the Food and Drug Administration this week, saying that the lawsuit challenges the refusal to phase out unnecessary uses of antibiotics in animal agriculture. The groups include the Alliance of Nurses for Healthy Environments, the Natural Resources Defense Council, Food Animal Concerns Trust, Public Citizens, and Earth Justice. They allege that approximately 2/3 of medically important antibiotics sold in the U.S. are for use in food-producing animals and are often administered to healthy animals to compensate for the higher risk of infections typically caused by cramped, unsanitary, or stressful conditions. The lawsuit claims that the misuse of these medicines has contributed to the rise and spread of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Stephen Roach of Food Animal Concerns Trust says, quote, "The FDA has allowed giant meat companies to habitually overuse antibiotics, putting everyone's health at risk. This is absolutely unnecessary, as animals raised under healthy conditions do not need routine antibiotics," end quote. And the U.S. food retail sector experienced substantial consolidation over the past 3 decades. That's according to data from the Economic Research Service. Market concentration, as measured by the Herfindahl-Hirschman Index, is a measure of the extent to which market shares are concentrated between firms of the retail food sector at the national, state, metropolitan statistical area, and county levels. The analysis includes all establishments with a significant portion of food sales that are likely substitutes for each other, supermarkets and other grocery and warehouse clubs and supercenters. Although the national market is less concentrated than the average state level, according to the HHI, national market concentration increased substantially between the years 1990 and 2019 at 458%. In comparison, average county-level market concentration has remained relatively constant over the past 30 years, increasing only 94%. While national measures to provide information about larger trends in the localized markets are likely more relevant to consumers, food retail competitors, and policymakers, according to USDA. That's a look at egg headlines this morning. Farm news online at myklgr.com. Time for a check of your market update. March corn up 3 1/4 at $6.58 even. December's up 1 1/4 at $5.89 1/4. March soybeans up 7 3/4 at $15.10 1/4. November is up 2 1/2 at $13.47 1/4. Chicago, March wheat up 5 1/4 at $7.46 1/2. July is up 4 1/4 at $7.54 3/4. Minneapolis, March spring wheat up 3 1/4 at $9.12 3/4. July is up 2 at $8.99 even. Kansas, March red wheat up 8 1/4 at $8.51 1/2, while July is up 6 at $8.37 even. March oats are down 2 at $3.76 even. July down 1 1/2 at $3.68 3/4. March soybean meals up $3.60 at $469.10. December down $1 at $393.80. March soybean oil up 70 cents at $61.24. December is up 46 cents at $59.49. On the livestock markets, February live cattle closed yesterday down 1/4 and opens today at $157.60. June closed up 35 cents and opens today at $158.20. February lean hogs closed down 30 cents yesterday and opens today at $76.80. May closed up 7.5 cents and opens today at $93.47.5. March feeder cattle closed up 15 cents and opens today at $183.75. May closed up 60 cents and opens today at $192.57.5. February pork cutouts closed yesterday down 47.5 cents and opens today at $84.52.5. May closed down 7.5 cents and opens today at $100 even. On the Class 3 milk futures, January is unchanged at $19.43. March is up 26 cents at $18.21 per hundredweight. And that's a look at egg headlines and a market update here on KLGR. I'm Farm Director Scott Colomb. Thanks for watching.